Hello and welcome to Endeavor, a monthly video update from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover abundant opportunities to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Swigert, Sales Director. Thank you for joining us this month for Endeavor. We are pleased to announce that Frederick Living will become a Garden Spot community as part of an affiliation in early 2024. We look forward to welcoming Frederick Living to the Garden Spot family. Garden Spot Village is honored to once again be the presenting sponsor of the Lancaster Balloon Festival, hosted in nearby Burdenhand, September 14th through 17th. It's going to be an exciting 4 days of hot air balloons, live music, great Lancaster County food, and more. To learn more or buy your tickets, visit lancasterballoonfest.com. On Saturday, September 30th, join us from 1:30 to 4 p.m. for a train room open house. Children of all ages love the popular Talk with Thomas station. Our train room open houses are free and open to the public, but donations are always welcome. Mark your calendar for Saturday, October 21st. Garden Spot Village will host an open house from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. as part of Explore Retirement Living. This day-long event is hosted at 17 Lancaster County Continuum Care Retirement Communities. The day provides an opportunity for prospective residents to tour multiple campuses. Join us to learn why Lancaster is a great place to retire. To find an up-to-date list of events available to the public, please visit the events page of our website. This has been Endeavor from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover abundant opportunities to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Swigert, and I look forward to seeing you soon.